Absent a warrant or exigent circumstances, law enforcement is not allowed to enter your property, and they're not allowed to search and seize anything without your consent. If law enforcement were to attempt to enter your home without your consent and without your permission, I would ask law enforcement to show you a warrant that gives them permission to enter your home. If law enforcement pulls you over while driving your vehicle because they say you were speeding, and then in the brief encounter that you have with law enforcement, they want to search your vehicle, I'd ask law enforcement specifically why they want to search your vehicle and ask also that they get a warrant. Police do not have a right to search your vehicle, your compartments, your trunk without your consent and absent a warrant. If they were to search your vehicle without your consent and without a warrant, and that any evidence obtained during that illegal search, your criminal defense attorney can have that evidence suppressed in court because they violated your rights not to have an unreasonable search and seizure. If you were to encounter law enforcement at any time and at any point, and they want to compel you to answer questions or provide information other than basic information, invoke your right to remain silent, and also that you want an attorney present before answering any questions or making any comments. In general, law enforcement cannot make an arrest without probable cause. That is to say that they have enough evidence that you've committed a crime. Absent those circumstances, law enforcement cannot make an arrest. If law enforcement attempts to search you without your consent or a warrant or exigent circumstances, you may be able to fight that. Any evidence obtained as a result of that illegal search, you can fight the admissibility of that evidence in court. If you have any questions about things that law enforcement cannot do without your consent, contact Roman Law.